and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly. Today for you I have a Dollar Tree haul. I have a mini haul. I picked up a few items from Dollar Tree today that I needed for some upcoming DIYs and some tablescapes. So let's just hop right into it. I have these two beautiful goblet glasses, excuse me. These are goblet glasses right there. I think I got it upside down, but these are goblet glasses. And I picked up two. I love the little shimmer effect and the design in the glass, so I picked up two of these because I know that I would need these for an upcoming tablescape or DIY, so I grabbed them. Also, I grabbed this pack of 4 plastic plates from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree still had a lot of their summer color plates, lime greens and bright festive colors. So I knew that I would need these plates for upcoming DIYs and tablescapes. So I picked up these plastic plates here. And I also got these candle holders. I got 4, and I have these for DIYs. In my area, it is so hard to find these candle holders. I know I went almost 2 or 3 months without being able to find these at our local Dollar Trees. But I searched at a Dollar Tree on the other side of town, and they had these. They didn't have many, but they had enough for me to get what I needed for my DIY. So I got 4 of these. And I also picked up a bottle of the matte Mod Podge. I generally use the glossy Mod Podge. That's what I generally use because I love it, because I do a lot of glam DIYs, and I do a lot of DIYs in tablescapes that has a lot of glitz and glamour and shine to it. So I generally just use the gloss Mod Podge for everything. So I have wanted to try out the matte, because this right here does the same purpose as the gloss matte Mod Podge, but it just don't leave a shiny effect, but it still has the same adhesiveness to it. So I picked up one of these just to try, and I'll be letting you all know how I like this product right here, because I love Mod Podge, but I've never tried the matte color one, so I will be giving this a try. And also I had to pick up these, the tube confetti. And I want to give a shout out to my sweet friend Tablescape Diva. I saw these on Tablescape Diva's channel back here, I'm gonna say a few days ago. She did a Glam to Farmhouse DIY, and she had these in brown and different colors. So I picked up some also for some DIYs. I really liked how they look, and they give a glitzy effect and a shine, and I really like these. So thank you so much, Tablescape Diva. You are so sweet and kind to show all of us glam girls, this nice product that the Crafter Square has. So everybody, I'm gonna drop Tablescape Diva's link in my description box, and make sure you go and check out her videos for her DIYs, her Farmhouse to Glam. She does great DIYs, so make sure you go check her out. Let her know that Uneatly sent you. Make sure you check that description box. So let's move on. Here we go. This is my favorite find of my trip to Dollar Tree. You guys, this right here has a lot of weight to it. And at first I went there and I just picked up one. I knew that, I said, well, I'm just gonna pick up one. And anytime you say that, that means when you come back, it's not gonna be there. So I went right back to that same aisle and I picked up another one. And this one right here is like a gold color, but you know, I always revamp a lot of my projects. So I may keep one a classic color and I may change the color of the other one. Not for sure exactly what I'm gonna do with these, but I had to get these. You guys, check out your local Dollar Tree because they really started to put out like a lot of nice chargers, and this is a charger plate, and they have a lot of them that I have never seen before. Like, I've never seen these long rectangle plates like this at Dollar Tree, and it has good weight to it, so that lets me know it is good quality, and it was only $1. I probably should have bought all of them, but I got to, you guys. All right, that was a quick mini haul for today from Dollar Tree. I just want to let everyone know, thank you so much for all the love and support. Make sure you check out my sweet, sweet, sweet friend, Tablescape Diva, to see her cute DIYs with those tube confetti. She did a lot of cute ones, you guys. Farmhouse to Glam, honey. And make sure you let her know that Uneatly Tay sent you. And always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And if you're not family with your girl Tay, make sure you drop me a message down below and we can connect in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I always return the love. And as always, thank you so much for watching.